Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using insights to learn about your audiences. Let's get started. Facebook Insights is one of the useful tools that can help your business understand the people who are connected to your Facebook page and the people who are browsing your Facebook page. This helps you create content that people will like and enjoy. You can determine what the demographics of your audience belong to. When you access your page insights, you'll be able to see this page. This shows the old Insights tool where you can view your page summary. In this section, you can see the new Insights tool. The new Insights tool can help you track paid and organic reach, learn about your current and potential audience, and see how your published content is performing. When you click on the button, See All Insights, you'll be redirected to your business suite. If you access your business suite, you can click on the Reports menu to view your page insights. Now let's take a look at the Overview Reports. The first section shows the results of page reach. It shows the number of people who saw the content that you have published on your page. This includes posts, stories, and ads. In this example, this is the number of individual users who saw your page content. It also shows a graph of the number of people who saw your content each day. You can also click on the button, See the Results Report, and you can view this graph, where you can check your page reach for the last 28 days. The Content Report shows the number of people reached for each content that you have published. You can filter the results by likes and reactions, comments, shares, results, cost per result, link clicks, or recent content. If you have an Instagram account connected to your Facebook page, you can also view the Instagram reach in your reports. Under Results, you can view the results for your Facebook page and Instagram as well. This shows you if you are attracting more audiences to your Facebook and Instagram accounts. It will be easier to take a look at the overview of your page reach and understand your audiences. The content shows the report for each content that you have shared in both Facebook and Instagram accounts. You can see what content is top performing. If you have published more content, you can view a summary of the total number reached, likes, comments, shares, and ad results here. If you click on each content, you can view more detailed results of the performance. The Audiences menu shows the current audience and potential audience. The current audience shows all the likes and also the age and gender of men and women who are interested in your page content. The potential audience size is useful when you need to create an ad. Take note that this only shows an estimation of the audience size eligible to see your ad based on your targeting criteria. You can use the filter option if you want to check the potential size for a specific location, age, gender, interests, and language. We have a marketing app that allows you to track ads from your competitors. Amplify gives you 7 popular SaaS tools for total Facebook ads domination. With Page Ad Watcher, you can track ads from your competitors. With Hidden Insights and Audiences Finder, you can find high-profit audiences that Facebook Ad Manager hides from you. Boost your conversions with behavioral retargeting. With Amplify's Page Targeter, you can target the audiences and the strategies of top businesses in your niche. With Email List Audience, you can turn every lead into a buyer with Instant List to Facebook retargeting. With Ad Decorator, you can make people stop scrolling every time they see your ad. With ROI Calculator, scale your ad's profitability without paying first. Try Amplify now and go to getamplify.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.